Hi, I'm Kevin, and this is my Space App story. By far, the most important step in solving any problem is to understand it. Figure out where something's happened, what has happened, but most importantly, why this has happened. My team and I took this ideology to heart when designing Project Locust. Our goal was to create a user-friendly web app that could predict, detect, and forecast locust whereabouts in order to notify farmers or city officials. My team consisted mostly of data scientists and machine learning enthusiasts, not one of us familiar with locusts or farming. You could say that this was a pretty big problem, especially since locusts sit at the heart of our project. But this didn't stop us. I remember spending the first day of hacking just staring at my screen, watching documentaries about locusts. My goal was to not only become familiar with how locusts moved or bred, but to become so well versed that I could imagine myself as one. Now, that definitely sounds insane, being able to put myself in the shoes of a locust, but it paid off. From my time researching locusts, I learned key properties and behaviors that fueled the success of our project. I learned that locusts are pretty lazy and prefer to glide with the wind as opposed to flying in a direction of their choosing. This behavior laid the backbone for our locust forecasting system, which basically simulated locusts as points on a wind map and calculated where those points would end up. I also learned that locusts prefer to breed in humid, lush environments, and so these became one of the many variables we trained our model on. With our research, we were able to create a machine learning model that accurately detected 98% of the time. In the end, your project will probably not be on locusts, or any animal for that matter. However, no matter what you're solving or what you're trying to do, remember that you're trying to address a problem. The better you can understand it, the better you can solve that problem. I'm Kevin, and I wish you the best on your Space Apps journey.